It's myself. I am Bhavish Kumar Patel. My student ID number is ROC 3038, and we conducting the topic is examining the marketing orientation undertaken by a small world bakery in the Australia market. So I will pass to my one of friend. Yep.
Hello everyone, my name is Ram Kazikor. Today I am going to do the introduction part of marketing orientation undertaken by a small world bakery in the Australian market. So first of all, by the introduction, Small World Bakery is a leading bakery company in the Australian market that serves the best quality of bakery products to the consumers in the market. The company uses the ancient techniques for the preparations of the bakery products that contribute to the better quality of the product. The company uses high quality of ingredients for manufacturing the bakery products that increase the productivity of the bakery product in the Australian market. Furthermore, the company believes in working with the full of passions and time to improve the quality of the product that results in the consumption of the bakery products by the customers in the market. Small World Bakery follows under which the company prepares fresh sourdough for manufacturing bread on Thursday, including both the facilities of pick-up and deliveries. Moreover, the company also bakes for the market situated at Willinga Farmers on Saturday. The company prepares and shaped, and the baking of the bread is done on the lower part of the furnace with the help of bakery in the Australian market works under the baking industry of Australia. The company works in collaboration with the Baking Association of Australia. The Baking Association of Australia is considered companies to represent themselves on the national level. The Baking Association of Australia contributes in the industry of baking. The association provides a varied range of services related to the baking markets of Australia. So for the examination of 5 C's, I would like to invite my another friend who will gonna discuss about the topic.
Hi, my name is Bharat Bhatia, and today I would like to talk about the development of marketing strategy, and 5 C's will be going to introduce by Bhavesh. And I would like to talk about the development of marketing and strategy. So everyone knows, like, to run a business, strategy is a key point to sell the products and make the product look good, which is good for the company, and most all above for the customers as well. For example, in our presentation and assignment, we have mentioned the small bakery, but still advertisement is a key point to sell the products, and which is focus on priorities of young people and children, because it attracts towards the pastries, cakes, and cupcakes. And for on bigger level, as our company is very small, which is a very small bakery company, so in this kind of business cannot hire the big ambassadors, but still to promote our business, one of the main strategy is to advertise on local levels. For example, handing out the flyers, giving a small advertisement in newspapers, so that common people can read and have a look of our products. And the other key points of marketing strategy, one of the good strategy by bakery on the other hand is for the elderly population demand, because they always prefer to have healthy food and freshly made products, for example biscuits and breads, which is quite good for the company and customers as well. As I said, marketing is a main tool to marketing is a main tool to promote our businesses. So I think for this kind of businesses, these are the points which I have mentioned. And the next part is Bhavesh is going to introduce the next part, which is 5 C's. Thanks, Bhavesh.
Thank you, Bharat. Hi. So I am talking about today's developing marketing tactics. So we need 5C. One is like company, customers, collaborators, competition, and context. So without these 5C, we can't get the success in succeed way. So we need that 5C even in any business. It doesn't matter in Australia or overseas, but still we need to introduce and put it in 5C in any business in the market. Then we will get and achieve the targets. So number one, I would like to say we need to establish and register the company, because without register we can't run the company and we can't run the business. Even we need to renew every time when it's going to run out before. Number two, I will explain you. Number two, we have to apply the marketing mix strategy. We have to identify customers' target market. Without target, we can't achieve the goals even. Number third, by third way, we need to apply for collaborators. Like what is the collaborators? Collaborators is includes like suppliers, business consultant, and also business networking. Without networking or without channel, we can't get the business run perfectly. Number four, competitors. Like we need to develop the products. We need to product different way compared to other competitors or compared to others. Because if we put some same products, it can't get success. So we need to create the different product. And also we need to go to the market research and local area. So number fifth is context. This is we need to keep in the product and services standard with the organization with good coaching and motivation. And that's why this 5C, if we put in, then we will get successfully and achieve the targets and making the success business. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jim. And this is our presentation. So that is the related to Australia.
My student ID is EAP2358. We have done a business in Baker's business. So every business has their own goal to achieve in market. Every business wants to be at top level in their business in market. So developing their market. To develop their market, we have to use develop marketing strategy and develop marketing tactics. Every business has to develop their market to they give more variety of product for the customers, like a Baker's. We use Baker's. So I can give some example like so Baker's Light give a lot of variety of product for the customers, like rye, wholemeal chia, wholemeal, plain flour, and loaf for KFC, country gain. A lot of variety of product for the customers. Some of them for the particularly for the some kind of people like aged people. There is no oil and no salt, so they can easily use any for their particular purpose. That's we using for the youth developing for the market. And to develop their market, we using 5C. We have to give more important for this 5C, like such as company, competitors, customers, collaborate, and content, environment. So company we can analyze as an internal purpose, internal analysis of the organization. Company which is including strength, weakness, goals, object, and culture, and resource, which kind of technology they use in the company to sell their product, such as like online products and onshore products, and give some discount things, as kind of things we can give it as a company purpose. For the customers things, we can say customers like our brand name. Without customer, we can't do anything in market. We go instead of selling their products in market, we can't even pay the rent for and we can even pay for the payment for their employees, and we can develop their business as well. So customer is very important. And the competitors we can say strength, weakness, opportunity, threats. Strength means why the customers like their products, such as like so we're choosing two bakers. Then I can give you an example, just like a Baker's Light and the Tommy's Bakers. So Baker's Light, why customer choose Baker's Light instead of using Tommy's Bakers? That's why maybe the atmosphere they're giving a lot of good quality products, that kind of thing. strength. Weakness means where they have to be improved. The company where they have to be improved. Every company has their low points, so the company has to be improved that particular point. So where they have to be improved, maybe in the price or the quality of products and the way their customers, dealing with the customers, that kind of thing. And the threats means an opportunity. Threats means opportunity. Threats means a lot of competitors, you can say competitors, and the opportunity means changing the employers every week. That's to the employers is the way to serve the customer. Even we go for shopping center, we can see in the food court, and there's a lot of variety of products. Even the same product we can see in the two different shops, like coffee. In the food court, at least we have 3 coffee shop in the food court. So every coffee shop has their own customers because they knows that employee how they make that product. That's why they're choosing the customers. So changing the employees every week in an organization, that's my effect of selling of the products. And competitors, we have finished collaborate. Collaborate means suppliers, distributors, alliance, and partners. So suppliers means we can say Bakerslide. We have a lot of variety of brands in Australia, so they can bulkily buy a product from the company, so they can easily product the product. We can sell the product with the cheapest product for the customers with the good quality, so they can easily achieve the market. And environment, climate. Final point: regulation and government oversees social, culture, and business, legal purpose, that kind of things. It's like every organization, even if they build a business in an organization in a country, they have their own rules to play in the society. So that's kind of things they show so in the environment product. And the Bakerslide market strategy based on the geographic and demographic lifestyle and other segment. So I'm just winding up this product. Thank you.